Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix battery draining tips on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: disable location services. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on Privacy. Tap on Location Services. Location services toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is enable low power mode. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen many features. Scroll up, tap on battery. You can see appears on screen low power mode toggle off and turning toggle on and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is turn off background app. Firstly, tap on Setting app. Tap on General. Tap on background app refresh. You can see appears on screen background app refresh toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General. Scroll up, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Setting. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay, cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on Reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is update all apps. Firstly, tap on App Store. Tap on profile icon and on the top right corner. Check the app updates. App update are available. If update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is upgrade to iOS 17 to iOS 16 official and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix battery draining tips on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.